being able to adjust however you want to, whenever you want to with strength. You suddenly have to work on technique for your body to protect your own body.
It's a little bit different.
It's a little different. Ooh,
That sounded good.
nice.
Best one I've had in a while.
Go ahead and come on up and see how that feels, bud. Pardon me.
Yeah, feels a lot better.
Yeah? Still feel residuals of it, or?
Yeah, a little bit. Still feeling just a tad in the ankle, but
All right.
not as bad.
So do you want me to send you to a friend of mine who's a chiropractor so he can put a heavier hand on